Hi guys, I got asked the question a lot. I don't know if I should make a video about it, but anyway, here I am making a video about it. And it's about the PlayStation, and someone asked me, how do they get to clean their PlayStation? How do they get inside to clean their PlayStation? How can they remove this cover? They've tried and they asked me. So I got the question about 2-3 times from some of my friends. So I thought maybe I'd just make a video about it. Maybe other people need it. So after you've removed the base, which is always there, you can see the PlayStation logo on top here. I could say that is the back, you know, that is the back. That is where you're gonna pull from. All you need to do is put your hand down here and you need to pull this one up and you pull back. So pull this up and pull back and it removes like that. You can see the hook. As you can see, my own PlayStation is a little bit dirty also. So we're just gonna like clean it together. Flip it to the other side and this is gonna be the back also. You pull it up from there and you kind of like push down and it's out. And now you are inside, basically not fully inside, but semi inside the PlayStation, which by you can clean. I have a brush here which I use to paint. You can actually just use it to dust a lot of things away from there. Get the dust off the fans and stuff like that. I've not really gone into mine for quite a long time, to be honest with you. So this is basically the first time in a long time that I'm cleaning it. And you can actually change the cover or so, because they sell new different colors of covers, and you can just replace them to another one, which I don't have one with me. And if you are interested in changing the SSD also, here is where you change it from. You just need to get yourself a screwdriver, a Phillips one, remove this screw, and you can see this is where you fix the SSD. And remember, you should back up before you try to fix the SSD. I have one here I can try, but I still need to have the stand. This is the full one and this is a small one. I have a small one somewhere here. I'm not gonna fix it, I'm just gonna show you. Probably in one of these days I'm gonna like, this is 1 terabyte, just put it inside there. And you see, you're gonna remove that on top. I did say I was not gonna fix it, but now I'm fixing it anyway. So let me just do it so you can see. Oh, okay. You remove that and you can just use it to hold it down here also. Just like that. And you screw it back. I need a star screwdriver. I think I'm using the wrong one. I'm using a Phillips one. So I'm gonna put this. It's better if you have the one with magnetic. This is not, for one reason or the other. Make sure you don't lost anything. This is supposed to be just in some few minutes. Well, because I wasn't using the right equipment, it's taking me more time. Put it back in and push it in so that it goes in. I don't know if you can see that. I'm supposed to, yeah. Then get it back in, not too tight. And that's it. I have it back there and I'm gonna close it up back. So that is adding to the SSD, and to close it back, it's just going to be the same way. And make sure you don't put the wrong one. This is where the drive is. So this big one belongs to the drive. I'm gonna put that one in first, from down, and you push it up there, and the other one the same way. Then you push it up and that's everything, guys. So that is how to change your SSD, remove the cover, and clean it up. So guys, I hope you do enjoy the video. Hope to see you in the next one. Odabo.